Use this magical herb to improve your immune system, anemia, heal your arthritis and prevent kidney disease. Parsley comes from the umbellifer family that includes carrots, celery, dill, fennel, cumin, coriander, parsnip, etc. It is a herb, not a vegetable. The two popular types of parsley are the curly parsley, which has bright green curly leaves, and the Italian flat leaf parsley, which has a darker shade of green with smooth flat leaves. The latter has a more fragrant and less bitter taste compared to the curly variety. It is a highly nutritious culinary herb that is most overlooked. It can be found as a garnish in many dishes in Western countries but is usually tossed aside and never eaten. Nutritional benefits of parsley. Parsley provides nature's best carotenoids and is a nutrition powerhouse of a few known anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients and flavonoids: lutein, zeaxanthin, apiol, rutin and apigenin. This tiny leaf plant is rich in chlorophyll, vitamin A, B, C, and K, folate and iron. It has high beneficial mineral contents like calcium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, vanadium, and zinc. Health benefits of parsley. Nibbling on a sprig or two parsley would not give you any real improvement in your health. The best way to enjoy all the health benefits of this wonder herb is by taking its juice. 1 or 2 ounces a day regularly would do wonders, but don't overdo it. Anemia. The high chlorophyll content from parsley is an excellent blood purifier and builder. Vitamin C and iron content make iron absorption more effective. Regularly drinking parsley juice, extracted using a gear juicer, helps bring up the hemoglobin count. Atherosclerosis. Consume parsley regularly for its vitamin C to prevent hardening of the arteries. It also helps to dissolve the sticky substances and maintain the elasticity of the blood vessels. Arthritis. The rich vitamin C from parsley helps protect against inflammatory problems like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Bad breath. Halitosis. Bad breath is usually a sign of a toxic colon. If the condition is not yet too far advanced, the purifying and cleansing effect of parsley juice makes a good remedy to clean up the toxic environment. Bladder/kidney/urinary tract problems. 2 healing compounds in parsley, myristicin and apiol, help increase urine flow that removes infection-causing bacteria from the urinary tract. At the same time, it also detoxifies the toxins from the body through urination. The diuretic effect helps prevent kidney stones and various urinary tract problems. Bloatedness, water retention. Nibbling, chewing on parsley in the days before menstruation can help increase urination and eliminating excess fluid that cause bloatedness or water retention. Cancer. Its high concentration of antioxidants such as minoterpenes, phthalides, polyacetones, helps neutralize carcinogens, cancer-causing agents, like tobacco smoke. Also good remedy for lung infection or asthma. Free radicals. Free radicals, cancer-causing compounds, are abundant in deep-fried foods. Ingesting parsley will reduce the free radical damage done to our body cells as the antioxidants neutralize the free radicals. Hair growth. Liquefy a big bunch of parsley into 2 tablespoonfuls of puree. Apply on wet scalp, put on the shower cap and let it sit for about an hour. Rinse and shampoo. Taking the juice at the same time may also help the growth of long and healthy hair. Heart health. Folate in parsley is a superb nutrient for cardiovascular health. Specifically, it helps protect blood vessels and reduces the risks of heart attack by converting potentially dangerous homocysteine into harmless molecules. Immunity booster. The high vitamin C content, higher than oranges, and the multi-immune enhancing compounds in parsley make it an extraordinary immunity booster. Flavoring. When cooking pasta, instead of adding salt to the boiling water, flavor the water with chopped parsley. The phytonutrients released into the boiling water also get absorbed into your pasta. Definitely a better choice over salt. Vision health. The high carotenoids, precursor of A vitamin, in parsley make it a particularly healing food for vision health. Add a big bunch of parsley as a juice ingredient daily to see the results. Wound healing. The excellent source of histidine in parsley is the essential amino acid necessary for growth and repair of tissues. Parsley juice would do well for people healing from a wound or after surgery. Consumption tips. The curly parsley is more prone to collecting dust and dirt. Soak it in a basin of water with a capful of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of salt for about 10 minutes. Rinse well. Although parsley is an outstanding healing food, it is not enough to just nibble on 1 or 2 sprigs. Take it in juice form. A good gear juicer is needed to extract fresh parsley juice. The French and Greek know the benefits of parsley and garlic. When eaten together, they provide a synergistic boost to the immune system, aid digestion, natural antibiotic, antiviral, antifungal. Here's my favorite recipe for garlic parsley salad dressing. Garlic parsley salad dressing. 5 cloves garlic, finely chopped or pressed. 5 tablespoons finely chopped fresh parsley. 5 tablespoons fresh loose breadcrumbs, optional, but it adds some texture to the dressing. 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or flaxseed oil. Half a teaspoon of sesame oil for the aroma. Juice of 1 lemon. Celtic sea salt to taste. Freshly ground black pepper. Stir all the ingredients in a big bowl and make into a paste. Store the unused portion in an airtight container in the fridge. Cautionary note. Parsley juice is very potent, so it is not to be taken by itself, and no more than 1 ounce every day. Take extra caution when taking this juice, especially if you have never done detox. Pregnant women should avoid taking this very potent juice. Parsley may be high in oxalic acid, so must not be consumed by individuals who have kidney stones. Avoid mixing with other high calcium food, as oxalic acid when combined with calcium becomes inorganic.